In today's fast-paced world, productivity and practicality are essential components of success. What do these 3 daily laptop users all have in common? They use Vinpok Split Monitor wherever they go. Vinpok Split Monitor is your portable, convenient, and trustworthy new best friend. It's versatile enough to fit anyone's needs. Quickly attach 1 or 2 monitors to your laptop. Vinpok Split Monitor allows you to boost productivity by up to 50%. Use it remotely, in office, or from home. Vinpok Split Monitor can be connected to your Android smartphone for unparalleled efficiency. The presentation mode enables you to share information quickly and effectively. Its compact size and sleek design makes it easy to carry and perfect to use on the go. It's not all business with Vinpok. Use it for your gaming systems as well. Vinpok Split Monitor. Never leave productivity or fun behind again. Back our campaign today.
Hey Siri, call Max on speaker.
Eat delicious food and lose weight. Sound impossible? It's not. Science and real-world results have shown that the ketogenic diet is a highly effective way to lose weight, and now it's more popular than ever. The problem is that it's hard to do effectively. You don't know what to eat, and you don't know how you're doing because of the lack of feedback. Until now. Introducing KEYTO. KEYTO enables you to optimize your weight with an entirely new program that's fun and easy to use.
On KEYTO, you eat low-carb, high-fat foods, also known as the ketogenic diet. And this allows weight loss while eating the foods you love. Many people report improved energy, deeper sleep, and some say they have better mental focus. And by using KEYTO, they know what foods to eat to reach their health goals.
KEYTO is easy. The breath analyzer shows your KEYTO level, which gives you rapid feedback on how you're doing and how much fat you're burning. And the app gives you guidance on what to do and what to eat based on your KEYTO level. It's really that simple.
To lose weight, it's critical to get the right feedback. With KEYTO, one breath tells you everything you need to know. Depending on your body type, you can expect to lose about 5% of your weight in the first 5 weeks. A lot of people in the pilot have lost even more.
KEYTO is great because it shows me that the foods that I love to eat, I can still eat. I get to eat cheese and I lose weight. I get to eat avocado and lose weight.
When I started the ketogenic diet, I started losing weight and then it just stopped. I had no idea why. Then I started using KEYTO and it completely changed the way that I took in food.
We found that people who did KEYTO with friends had better success and more fun. Because of this, we built in social challenges as a core component of the KEYTO app.
I like it a lot. I'm on the app all the time. I either compare myself to my buddies or, keeping some friends honest, that kind of thing.
It's really great having someone else on the app with me. KEYTO's a great program and it really helps me stay focused to those fitness goals I set for myself.
I get people coming up to me, hey, you're looking good, dude. What are you doing to diet or work out? And I get to tell them about the KEYTO program.
By using KEYTO, you can lose weight, eat delicious foods you love, and have fun while improving your health. Try KEYTO today and take control of your life.
Imagine a pocket-sized drone that captures stunning aerial videos. A flying HD camera without the challenge of piloting a drone.
Hi, I'm Vernon, and we're the team that makes Microdrone.
In 2015, we had an idea for a palm-sized drone, the first of its kind. With your support, we smashed all our funding goals, which helped get Microdrone off to a flying start.
Microdrone
3.0.
We created tooling, worked with factories, started production, and shipped 32,000 drones all over the world.
We can't thank you enough for your support. We collected lots of useful feedback. Now we are ready to introduce the next generation drone. This is Microdrone 4.0.
Our mission is to make the world's coolest, smallest drone. With more sensors, upgraded camera, and a stabilizing gimbal, Microdrone 4.0 is the most advanced, easy-to-fly drone to date. We wanted to make it super easy to fly, so it can be used straight out of the box. Fitted with a high-quality Sony sensor, the image is crisp for improved video capture that's striking and clear. Microdrone 4.0 is no ordinary drone. A tiny 2-axis gimbal provides fluid motion that eliminates shake, giving you buttery smooth footage using both mechanical stabilization and EIS. It allows you to create cinematic filming techniques that excite and inspire. A compact foldable design means you can take it with you anywhere. On your travels, it conveniently stores away for when portability matters. We don't want anyone to miss a special moment. Take it out and 3 clicks gets you airborne in less than 5 seconds. It comes with a brand new app with advanced camera controls. We have completely redesigned the drone from the ground up with a brand new shape that's optimized for power and performance. Take your hands off the controls, and the technology inside Microdrone enables it to fly autonomously without any manual controls. The drone integrates powerful AI tracking that complements smooth, stable shots and flies fast enough to keep up with high-speed action.
Neurala creates artificial intelligence for drones. Our artificial intelligence is built directly on the phone that controls the drone. Beyond live track, we will bring even more AI to Microdrone 4.0. The ability for the drone to orbit around the object of interest at 360 degrees, and the ability to recognize the hand of the owner and land on it.
We're taking it to the next level in stability, size, affordability, and ease of use.
With development complete and prototypes extensively tested, with your support, we are now ready to start production, which will help create the most exciting, easy to use, and stable drone that anyone can fly. Thank you.
Help us to take this into production. The more funding we can raise, the more functionality, upgrades, and accessories we can add to the existing drone.